Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration, pedestrian alert system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.